In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation in Asana. First, open the Asana project you want to automate. Automations in Asana are tied to a specific project, so make sure you're inside the correct one and that you have permission to make changes. You'll see the project toolbar at the top. That's where we'll configure everything. Next, head to the top right and click Customize. This opens the panel where you control fields, layouts, and most importantly for today, rules. Select rules to view any existing automations for this project and to create a new one. Rules let Asana do the busy work for you by reacting to common events like tasks moving through stages or being assigned. Now choose plus add rule and pick create custom rule. You may see helpful templates, but a custom rule gives you full control. Think of a rule as when this happens, do that. The first part is the trigger. For example, set the trigger to task moved to ready for review. This tells Asana to watch for tasks that change columns or sections into that specific stage. Triggers can also look at dates, assignees, and other changes, but we'll stick with the move example to keep it focused. With the trigger defined, choose the actions. You can select more than one. In this case, set the rule to assign to supervisor and then add another action to post a comment that says, please check this data. Actions fire in order and they run automatically in the background, so team members get notified without anyone having to ping them manually. Keep your comment clear and actionable and use consistent wording so everyone recognizes what the automation means. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish. The rule is now live for this project. From this point forward, whenever a task is moved into ready for review, Asana will assign it to the supervisor and post the comment you defined. Rules generally apply to changes that happen after publishing, and they'll continue to run until you edit or turn them off. If you ever notice unexpected behavior, check for overlapping rules that might be trying to act on the same event. That's it. By opening your project, using Customize to access rules, adding a custom rule, defining a clear trigger, setting the right actions, and publishing, you've put routine work on autopilot so your team can focus on real progress.